I'm going to get you to meet me down on your bums, and we are going to start in butterfly pose with the soles of your feet together. For today's class, we are going to be going over a hand touch. A hand touch is a flat palm out, and your dog will bring their nose to your hand. The way I teach a hand touch is by putting a treat between my thumb and the palm of my hand, having my hand out. When your dog brings their nose to your hand, you can give them the treat. So we're just going to stay in our butterfly stretch for about 30 seconds or so while practicing a hand touch from side to side. Good girl. Touch. Touch. Quiet. Touch. Good girl, Jada. From there, bring your right leg out, left foot comes in, thinking about getting a stretch down your hamstring. We're going to incorporate the dog by putting a treat in front of their nose and guiding them over our leg. Girl. Girl, good job. From there, bring your left leg out. Your legs are in a V. Still thinking about getting a stretch down your hamstrings. You can continue luring your dog over both of your legs. Girl. Good job. From there, bring your right foot in, just focusing on the left side now. You can continue luring your dog over your leg. Good girl. Good job, Jada. From there, bring both legs out straight, legs are together. Last hamstring stretch. You can continue luring your dog over both of your legs. From there, we're going to bring our right foot over our left leg. Left elbow to the outside of right knee, twist over to the right. And you can bring your right hand out and ask for a touch. Girl. Touch. Once you've got your touch, you can release your legs and we'll do the other side. Left foot coming over right leg, right elbow to the outside of left knee, twist over to the left. And again, your left hand can ask for a touch. When you're ready, release, coming back to center. We're going to do that one more time. So again, bringing right foot over left leg, left elbow to the outside of right knee, twist over to the right, and ask for a touch. Release back to center, and we'll do the other side. Left foot coming over right leg, right elbow to the outside of left knee, twist over to the left. Left hand comes out and asks for a touch. Good girl. And then release back to center when you're ready. From there, we're going to bend our knees, creating a little tent with our legs. And we are going to encourage our dogs to crawl underneath our legs. So I'm going to start by asking Jada to lay down at my side, treat in front of her nose. I'm going to try luring her under my legs. Good girl. Come on, Jada. Come on, come on, come on. If your dog is reluctant to go underneath your legs, you can lift them up a little bit and then trying to get them to crawl underneath. Good girl. Come under. Under. Good girl. And release. From there, we're going to bring our right ankle to our left knee. And you can bring a finger to your nose and ask your dog to focus. Once they look you in the eyes, you can give them a treat. Focus. From there, if you'd like to add in a little twist, you can bring your right foot, twist it over to the left side. Left foot comes in, and you can ask for another focus. Focus. Release back to center, and we'll do the other side. So left ankle coming to right knee. Again, you can bring a finger to your nose and ask for a focus. Good girl. Focus. Good. Again, if you'd like to add in a twist, you can bring your left foot, twist over to the right side. Right foot comes in. Again, you can ask for a focus. Good girl. Focus. Good girl. Release back to center when you're ready. From there, cross your legs, seated up nice and tall. We're going to bring our right foot to our left thigh. If that's too intense, you can just bring it to your left calf. And we are going to lure our dogs to circle around us clockwise. So starting, going around the right side, back behind you. And we're going to continue with them circling clockwise for the next 15 seconds or so. And release. We're going to do the other side, bringing your left foot to your right thigh or your right calf. Seated up nice and tall. We'll get them to circle the other direction. Good girl. Good girl. Around. Good girl. And release. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to check out our full 30-minute dog yoga video, as well as our workout with your dog program and our canine-only fitness course, available on our website at sitstaysquat.ca.